Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina and today we'll know about the chapter, the story of cricket. This is the last chapter in your book and it is written by Ramchandra Guha. He is the writer of this story. Now in this lesson, as the name suggests, the story of cricket, we will learn about cricket, how it came into origin and how it is started, from where it was started, how it came to India, what was done in that time period. So this chapter is something related to history, but yeah, we'll study it. It's an interesting chapter as many of us has a great interest in cricket. We are a great fan of cricketers. So we'll come to know about the origin and the way this cricket has grown up. Okay, so let's study. Let's start. So cricket was 500 years ago. It was started in England. It was a England game. There were many games played with a stick and a ball. The word bat in England means stick. Okay, so in England there were many games which were played with a stick, with a bat and a ball. And in, you can say, this cricket also originated over there and they played it. But what happened at that time when the cricket was started playing, they used to ball underarm, means the ball was not done in air but the ball was underarm, it rolled on the ground. Hence the cricket bat at that time was not the one which we are having now. उस समय क्रिकेट बैट आज की तरह नहीं था बेटा, लेकिन उस समय का क्रिकेट बैट कैसा था, वो एक जैसे हमारी हॉकी स्टिक होती है जो नीचे से कर्व होती है, सिमिलरली उस समय का क्रिकेट बैट जो है वो नीचे से कर्व था, जो कि बैट्समैन को अपॉर्चुनिटी देता था कि जैसे ही बॉल जमीन पे आती थी वो इजीली उस बॉल को हिट कर सकता था. Okay, and so what is the peculiarities, the characteristics of cricket? So one of the peculiarities of cricket is that a test match can go on for 5 days and still end in a draw. So एक ये खासियत है क्रिकेट की. क्रिकेट गेम ऐसा है कि 5 दिनों तक चलता है. ऐसा कोई भी गेम नहीं है जो इतना लॉन्ग टाइम पीरियड तक चले. ठीक है, सो ये गेम जो आपके टेस्ट मैचेस है तो 5 डे मैचेस भी हो सकते हैं, बट फिर भी वो 5 डे खेलने के बाद भी ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो गेम जीता ना जाए पर ड्रॉ हो जाए, मतलब दोनों टीम बराबर पे. सो ये खासियत किसकी है? क्रिकेट की खासियत है. Another curious characteristic of cricket is that the length of the pitch is specified 22 yards, but the size or shape of the ground is not. दूसरी खासियत क्या है कि जो क्रिकेट की पिच है जहां पर बैट्समैन होते हैं उसकी लंबाई तो फिक्स्ड है, वो 22 यार्ड्स की होती है, लेकिन जो ग्राउंड है जिस मैदान में क्रिकेट खेला जाता है उसका शेप या उसका साइज कुछ भी फिक्स नहीं होता है. देखिए ये दो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक आपको बताई गई है क्रिकेट की. एक तो उसके टाइम के बारे में कि भाई ये 5 दिनों तक चल के भी ड्रॉ होता है, जबकि हम दूसरे गेम्स देखें जैसे फुटबॉल देख लीजिए, आप हॉकी देख लीजिए, हाफ टाइम लेते हैं क्रिकेट से, बट दे एंड इन मोर देन अ हाफ टाइम ऑफ क्रिकेट. एंड ऑल्सो दे गिव्स डिसीजन, वन टीम विंस ओवर देयर बट दे डू नॉट एंड इन अ ड्रॉ. लेकिन क्रिकेट क्या है, वो ड्रॉ किस में हो रहा है, वो एंड किस में हो रहा है, ड्रॉ में एंड जो है उसका ड्रॉ हो सकता है, दोनों टीम बराबर पे हो सकती है. फाइन. और दूसरी चीज क्या है, जो अदर गेम्स है उनका जो ग्राउंड है, लंबाई उनकी जो पूरा एरिया है वो फिक्स्ड होता है, लेकिन क्रिकेट में क्या कह रहे हैं, जो ग्राउंड है उसका एरिया फिक्स नहीं है, लेकिन क्रिकेट जिस पिच पर खेला जाता है, जिस पिच पर दोनों बैट्समैन खड़े होते हैं उस पिच की लेंथ फिक्स है, वो कितनी है, 22 यार्ड्स है. ठीक है बेटे. सो for example, if we say that the oval ground of Adelaide Oval and circular ground of Chepauk in Chennai, and if if we hit a 6 in Melbourne, if we go for a 6 in Melbourne, then it has to cover a long area as compared to Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium. So these are some specialities, some peculiarities of cricket. Fine. Next, what is it saying? the world's first cricket club, laws of cricket were drawn up in 1744. The world's first cricket club was formed in Hambledon in the 1760s. Okay, so अब ये क्या कह रहा है कि क्रिकेट के जो नियम, जो लॉज स्टैब्लिश हुए थे, वो कब हुए थे? 1744 में हुए थे। और कैसे हुए थे बेटा? उस वक्त ये देखा गया था कि जो एम्पायर है वो इसके लॉज जो है, जो भी है रिलेटेड, क्योंकि वो जज करते थे, एम्पायरिंग करते थे, तो वो लोग इसके लॉज बताएंगे। तो उन्होंने कुछ लॉज बताए थे, जैसे कि वेट ऑफ द बॉल, वेट ऑफ द बॉल मस्ट बी 5 to 6 ounces। ओके, सो और फिर उन्होंने बताया that height of the stick must be, the stumps must be, it must be 22 inches, and the bail which is kept on the stump, it must be of 6 inches. So certain laws was formed by the umpire. Okay, and the first the first cricket club was formed in Hambledon in the 1760, और MCC के अंदर, मेलबर्न क्रिकेट क्लब के अंदर वो हुआ था 1787 में। In the middle of 1760 and 1770, now the bowlers started bowling in the air। 1760 और 70 के बीच में बॉलिंग जो है वो एयर में होने लग गई थी, जिसके कारण क्या हुआ? चेंज इन बॉलिंग gave bowlers the option of length, डिसेप्शन थ्रू द एयर प्लस इंक्रीज पेस। जब वो एयर में बॉलिंग होने लग गई तो इससे बॉलर्स को बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली फास्ट बॉलिंग करने की, स्लो बॉलिंग करने की, स्पिन करने की, स्विंग करने की। सो दिस गेव द बॉलर्स मैनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज। नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द बॉलिंग द बैट्समैन ऑल्सो शुड इम्प्रूव, सो द बैट मस्ट बी इम्प्रूव। नाउ द बैट हैज चेंज्ड इट्स शेप, इट इज नो मोर कर्व्ड, इट इज स्ट्रेट। सो तब वो चेंज हुआ था शेप में, वो बिल्कुल जो कर्व था वो कर्व ना रह करके अब क्या हो गया बेटा? स्ट्रेट हो गया है। फाइन। सो ऑल्सो इट took batsman great effort to select the shot and his concentration to choose to identify the ball, that how is it coming and how he have to which shot he has to give, in what speed he has to go for it. So all this came on batsman. Okay dear, next in 1744 the first leg before law was published. If you look at the game's equipment, you can see how cricket both changed with changing times and yet fundamentally remained true to its origins, its rules, and in rural England. Fine. So now what is it saying? So there were many changes which came in cricket since the past time when it was started in England 500 years ago. From that time to there were many changes which came on. Okay, so it was done, but yet what it is this saying that still its equipment, you can see how cricket both changed with changing time and yet fundamentally remained true to its origin. Still it is unchanged. Why it is changed? In the laws, in the rules, there were many laws, there were many rules, there were many things fixed out, but it is stick to its origin. Means in that time also bat was made of wood, a wooden bat is used, still wooden bat is used. In that time also bat and ball were handmade. They were not made in any industry. Till now bat and ball are handmade, they are not made in any industry. Yeah, but there are some changes. Earlier the piece of the bat was made with one piece of wood, but now it takes two pieces. One, the down part is made up of this willow tree and the upper one is made up of cane, and also there are cork and leather fixed in it. So all these things have advanced. Earlier there was no pads, no gloves, no helmet, but now without pads and gloves and helmet, we cannot supposed to play cricket. They are very necessary to protect ourselves. So we go on a ground with pads and gloves and helmet. So in this way cricket has been modernized. Now how it came to India? Okay, वो इंडिया में कैसा है? Let's understand about it. The origins of Indian cricket are to be found in Bombay, and the first Indian community to start playing the game was the small community of Zoroastrian, the Parsis. तो ये क्या कह रहा है कि इंडिया के अंदर जो क्रिकेट का ओरिजिन हुआ था वो कहाँ हुआ था, बॉम्बे के अंदर हुआ था। और जो फर्स्ट इंडियन कम्युनिटी जिसने क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू किया था वो ज़ोरास्ट्रियंस थे, जो कि पारसी थे। उन लोगों ने ये खेलना शुरू किया था। क्यों? बिकॉज पारसीज वर वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड इन ट्रेड। दे गो टू फार अवे कंट्रीज in trade, and over there they have seen cricket and they took interest in playing cricket. Okay, so that's why the Parsis was the first Indian community to westernize and they brought cricket into India. Parsis जो है वो cricket को इंडिया के अंदर लेकर आए. Also Parsis founded the first Indian cricket club, the Oriental Cricket Club in Bombay in 1848. ठीक है, जो पहला इंडियन क्रिकेट क्लब बना था वो भी पारसीज ने बनाया था, ओरिएंटल क्रिकेट क्लब बॉम्बे के अंदर, जो 1848 के अंदर बना था. What happened at that time? These people used a public park which was also used by some Britishers. Some of the Britishers, some white elite people, they played polo over there. Polo is played on horses and with that type of hockey stick. So when the horses run in that ground, there was some patches on that ground. The ground is not suited for cricket to play. So they complained, the Britishers or they complained the white people against it, that this is a public park, this is a public ground, but the polo players made it unfit to play cricket. Now because they complained to the officers who was also Britishers, so they didn't favor them, they favored their people. What they decided to make their own cricket club, their own place. So in this manner they established their own place, which was supported by Parsis businessmen. They supported the Tatas and the Wadias. They support this cricket club, and the rivalry between the Bombay Gymkhana Club and these Parsis both end in a happy ending, because once it happened that they both had a match, and that match was won by the Parsis. A Parsi team beat the Bombay Gymkhana at cricket in 1899, just 4 years after the foundation of the Indian National Congress in cricket. So Parsis has beaten this Bombay Gymkhana players, and in this manner their rivalry was ended, and there was a happy ending. They started appreciating the Indian players to play very well cricket more than them. So their rivalry was brought to an end. Fine. So in this way, the Parsis were the people who brought this cricket into India, and they played together, or they played many test matches, and the people of that time, those who played very good matches, are still known. See, commonly which players we know? The best players. For example, we talk about Sachin Tendulkar, we talk about Kapil Dev. So they were the best player of their time. Similarly, there was a player C.K. Naidu, who was the first captain of the first test match played in 1932. So C.K. Naidu is still known because of his captaincy, and also he was a very good player, apart from two other players whose name either we have heard, it's very hard that we have ever heard, that Palvankar Vittal and Palvankar Balu. We have not heard their names, but yeah, C.K. Naidu, he is still remembered. He was the first captain, first test captain, okay, who played the first test match in 1932. So we used to remember the famous players. Now this cricket, now the television coverage changed cricket. How this television coverage has changed cricket? Because cricket, although it is played internationally, yet it has entered each and every house because of the television, because of the media so strongly progressing. We can, if the match is happening in Sydney, we can sit in Rivario, we can sit in Sydney, and we can watch the match easily. So what happens? Children who used to see the match, they took interest in cricket. They learned through their heroes who were playing before them. They learned by watching, and they started playing the match. And slowly and steadily, this cricket has a big viewership in India. So what happened? Since India had the largest viewership for the game amongst the cricket playing nations, and the largest market in the cricketing world. Now see, India had the largest viewership in the cricket playing nations. जितने भी nations हैं उनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा largest viewership किसकी है? इंडिया की है। और सबसे बड़ी मार्केट किसकी है? पूरे क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड में मार्केट भी इंडिया की ही बड़ी है, लार्जेस्ट मार्केट है। मीन्स हमारे यहाँ इतने क्रेजी फैंस हैं कि कोई मैच मिस नहीं करेंगे, वो जाते ही जाते हैं। सो वी हैव अ वेरी ह्यूज व्यूअरशिप एंड मार्केट। ओके, सो द गेम सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी शिफ्टेड टू साउथ एशिया, इसलिए जो गेम का सेंटर है वो साउथ एशिया में आ गया। दैट इज अर्लियर इट्स प्लेस वाज इन लंदन, दैट आईसीसी वाज इन लंदन एंड लेटर इट शिफ्टेड टू दुबई। ओके, सो बाद में वो दुबई में अब वो दुबई में शिफ्ट हो चुका है। सो दिस वाज द शिफ्ट। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज इट सेइंग? बिकॉज today, the global market had made Indian players the best paid, most famous cricketers in the game, men for whom the world is a stage. So अभी क्या है, जो ग्लोबल मार्केट है उन्होंने इंडियन प्लेयर्स को जो है बेस्ट प्लेड प्लेयर्स, मतलब हाईएस्ट जो है पे सैलरी उनको प्लेयर्स को, हमारे इंडिया के प्लेयर्स को मिलती है एज कंपेयर टू अदर्स। ओके, एंड मोस्ट फेमस क्रिकेटर्स इन द गेम, और बहुत फेमस क्रिकेटर्स भी है, हर कोई इंडियन प्लेयर्स को मोस्टली जानता है। ओके, एंड इट इज दैट द वर्ल्ड इज अ स्टेज फॉर आवर प्लेयर्स, मीन्स वो कहीं हर एक जगह जाके बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म करके आते हैं। सो द वर्ल्ड, दिस वर्ल्ड इज नाउ एज अ स्टेज फॉर आवर प्लेयर्स। सो इन दिस वे दिस क्रिकेट हैज एडवांस्ड, and in India also it has advanced so well, and it is still going on. We can see the craze for IPL, which is just yet going on, or which is just yet going on. So it is the greatest craze of cricket. Fine. So students, in this lesson we have learned about the history of cricket, how it was originated, where it was originated, what happened slowly and steadily, how it grew, and how it is also compared with other games. What is the difference between other games and cricket? So how it advanced, and later how it was brought in India. Parsis were the people who brought cricket into India, and how they built Gymkhana Club, and they grow their goodwill, and also now that because of them this cricket is the largest viewership, had the largest viewership in India, and also the Indian players are the best paid players, and the hard work of Parsis, they actually they struggled at that time with the Britishers, but now their hard work has given cricket a good place, a good ground in India. So students, I hope you understood this lesson very well. If you have any query related to this lesson, you are free to call me. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.